There's a secret number in nature, art, and the way our body is built. It's called the golden ratio. And the number itself, and the number is 1.618 roughly. I don't remember all those like infinite decimals. So the number itself is not fascinating, but the thing what it is. And well, it's just interesting because it's occurring everywhere. And like the equation looks like this. That's equation for phi, the golden ratio. Well, this is phi, and this is the like the golden ratio. Okay, understand? And the thing is, what makes it so damn interesting is because if you take a flower seed, it will have the same spiral it has when this is the golden ratio. Here's a photo of it. Okay, this is what it looks like. Seashells have the same like spiral thing, and so does some seeds, and even galaxies are built this perfectly. Even tornadoes, well, it also depends on the galaxy because there are a bunch of different types. We are going to that on a later video in like a few months or a few weeks. It depends how many exams I have. It's fascinating because it's older than I am. You are older than, well, is it older than Christ? Like when he was born? Well, he was actually not born in the year 0. Well, there was actually no year 0. There were year 1. So the ancient Greeks studied it. They used it in art. Even Leonardo da Vinci used it in art, and the ancient Greeks called it the divine proportion. And what makes it so fascinating, it's because it's perfect. And it also appears in the Fibonacci sequence, what goes like, if I remember, it goes like this. If I remember right. And 21 and so on. This is like the Fibonacci sequence. So the golden ratio is somehow part of it. Maybe it's because it follows this like the same kind of rule. Okay, I think it's because of that. I didn't have much time to come up with all the information for this video. So the way to find the perfect golden ratio is you have a longer line. You have a whole line. You put it in two parts, longer and shorter, and it goes like whole line divided by the longer part. Damn, I had a voice crack. Equals the longer part divided by shorter part. So if this is the same as this and the other way around, it's golden ratio. It's perfect, and well, that's it. It's perfect. If you wanna see how perfect it is, I will tell about later. This is like the golden ratio in its simplest possible forms. If I remember right, it was sunflower seeds, even galaxies, and of course tornadoes. I'm not sure if I even wrote this right. I will come back in a bit for more information. Okay. Now I'm back with more information. So why it's close to the Fibonacci sequence, it's because the Fibonacci gets very close the golden ratio sequence. And why do we care? Why do humans care? Well, it's because something in our brain just likes the beauty of it, because it's, well, kind of perfect. Our brains just like it. That's why some logos use the golden ratio to make their logos, right? And the same in architecture, I don't know how to even pronounce it. In art, Da Vinci, like I said before, used it because our brains just see it as beautiful. So if someone's like facial appearance is very balanced, it's like the golden ratio, okay? Because it's perfect. So people see it as beautiful because it's perfect. The golden ratio, it's just something in our brains to find it very, very beautiful. And actually, if I remember correctly, the uppercase, which this looks our uppercase, is this that I used before. There's also lowercase, and it's like wait, something like this. This is the lowercase, uppercase. You can use both, if I remember correctly. And it's not tornadoes. Well, maybe even those. It was hurricanes what used the golden ratio, not tornadoes. Maybe both, but the information I got this from, so Wikipedia and other sites didn't say anything about tornadoes. It was hurricanes. I just mixed them up. So that was kind of like the golden ratio in simplicity. And if you want to learn more, just I will link every possible source of information about golden ratio in description. Okay, and we are not gonna end this right now because I just want to talk about something, and it's about time. And I don't mean I'm gonna talk about time with golden ratio. I'm talking about my time. I'm gonna have 3 exams in the next week. So every video this video and the next video I will also film today, but just post on a different day. It's because so you don't have to wait. In next week's Friday, I will make probably 2 to 3 videos more in storage for you. So I would be happy if you would use the hype button that YouTube now has for my videos to be shown for other people too, because I'm trying to do this to make people learn and to make money, because I want money and I want people to learn, and I want myself to learn, because I wanna be something great in the future. And I will probably talk about golden ratio later when I know much more. And here's the photo again of golden ratio right here. Okay, good. See you in the next video, probably in either Monday or Tuesday or whenever I will upload this, and the next video I will do. Okay, see ya.